Okay, we're going to do a factory reset of the ST16. So we'll go to pad mode. So OK. Hit the little dots on the bottom. Go to settings. Scroll down to where it says backup and reset. And then factory data reset. Down here it says reset tablet. Press reset. Erase everything. The ST16 is going to power off and reboot. And when it comes back up again, it's not going to have any previous models or any calibrations stored. So the first thing we're going to have to do is rebind. Okay, it's rebooted. Comes up in the language selection. We'll say OK for English. Then we're going to do model select. We're going to select a new model. Create new model. We're going to put a name in. We'll call this test. Save it. Oh, we've got to select the type of model. Typhoon H. Now we select save. Okay, so we'll select the model we just created. It's going to give us a warning. We'll just say OK. Okay, now we go to System Settings, and we need to look for our aircraft. So we're going to refresh, and it's not showing up, so that means I need to tip the aircraft forward a couple of times until it has an orange flashing status light. Okay, the aircraft has an orange flashing status light, and we'll hit refresh again, and there's the model right there in white. That's our aircraft, so we'll select that, and then select bind. It says established connection. So now we can go back out to our flight mode screen, and now we see all the telemetry. Compass warning, that's normal. We see the telemetry. We've got the voltage. It says it's acquiring satellites. Not going to find many because it's inside. So we know that it's bound to the aircraft. Next, we'll have to connect to the camera. Now we're going to bind to the camera. We go back to System Settings. And now we see the camera is listed on the right column in white. We select that. Select bind. It's going to ask for a password. That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Say OK. It says camera is connected. Now we need to select the camera, and we're going to want to select CG03 Pro. Select, setup complete. We go back to our flight mode, and there's the view from the camera. So everything is set up now. The only other thing we need to do is the calibrations. We'll need to do the accelerometer and the compass calibration. We'll do the compass calibration outside.